Hey there, so how to install Waymo One app, autonomous ride hailing. So you can just tap get and then double click to install it. Yep, here you have, this is the famous Waymo app. Get there with Waymo driver, the world's most experienced driver. The Waymo One app makes it easy to get where you're going in a comfortable, fully autonomous car with no human behind the steering wheel. Our vehicles are operated by the Waymo driver, which is designed to prioritize safety and take the stress out of people's everyday drives. Get a fully autonomous ride with Waymo One in the Metro Phoenix area, including downtown Phoenix. In San Francisco, download the app and we'll reach you out when it's your time to ride. So as you can see right now, this app is just functioning in basically two areas in United States, and it's only in United States, not any other country. And then in San Francisco, still need to get the app, and like seems there is some kind of waiting list. So this is just like a beginning of the test. Yep, pretty cool. There are 16,000 ratings. There are more and more ratings here. I don't know why there are. Yep. So yeah, like I don't know whether this all reviews are like quite legit, but yeah, here it is, and then you can just enable Bluetooth, and then you can just see here you can allow location access, allow notifications, and then choose an account. You just need to sign in with your Google account, and then it should be good to go. But again, this app right now is only functioning properly like in Phoenix, Arizona. So that's the only place. Other than that, of course, if you are in San Francisco, you can just download it and sign up for the waiting list, kind of.